Hello everyone, I'm Ray Greeley with the Great Falls Forecast Office. Welcome to your weekly Montana weather hazards briefing for the week of September 13th through the 19th, 2021. As usual, please visit our website, social media accounts, or contact any of the 4 Montana weather forecast offices directly for the latest information. Let's go ahead and get started. A weak weather system will continue to bring a chance for isolated showers and thunderstorms on Monday, mostly for south central and southeastern portions of the state. Then a continued progressive weather pattern will bring increased winds and a few frontal passages for potential midweek fire weather concerns east of the divide. Precipitation chances increase this weekend as a Pacific system approaches the state, with western areas initially seeing the best probabilities. Here are the potential hazards associated with this week's weather. Notice there is a potential for some mountain snow for the weekend. Feel free to pause this slide for further review. The latest drought monitor shows extreme to exceptional drought persisting over the southwest and the eastern portions of the state. A passing weather system will continue to maintain at least slight chances for showers and thunderstorms on Monday. Although the best chances of storms will be over south central and southeastern areas, a few storms could develop over the north central plains and in the northwestern mountains. Here's one model simulated radar forecast. Severe weather is generally not expected for this time frame. Increased westerly flow ahead of an approaching weather system may bring gusty westerly winds and low relative humidity values to the southwest and some areas east of the divide for Wednesday and Thursday. These areas will be monitored for potential fire weather concerns. Otherwise, the strongest winds will be in western Montana and along the Rocky Mountain front. Also note that the cold front may bring a northerly wind shift to the plains during the late afternoon and evening hours. A similar situation is possible for Thursday, but there is more uncertainty on exactly how things will set up. Bottom line is that there are some fire weather concerns for Wednesday and Thursday. While we're talking about fire weather, let's take a look at the expected high temperatures for Wednesday and Thursday. They don't look overly warm, except for maybe portions of the southeast. The cooler temperatures will likely play a role in reducing the chances for widespread elevated or critical fire weather, especially on Thursday. Although forecast confidence remains low this far out, especially in terms of timing, there are some indications that a cooler Pacific system may move in for next weekend. This graphic shows an approaching area of colder air and lower pressure in the middle portions of the atmosphere. Increased precipitation, windier conditions, and even some mountain snow can be expected if this particular solution were to materialize. The extended outlook from the Climate Prediction Center shows the continuation of unsettled conditions over our region. Note the high gradient over the northern Rockies for both temperature and precipitation probabilities. This shows that the storm track could frequently visit the state, but also hints at lower forecast confidence. This concludes this week's briefing. Here's a summary of the main points discussed in the presentation. Please visit our website or social media accounts for the latest information and contact any of the 4 Montana State Forecast offices if any questions arise. Thank you for watching this video and have a great week, everyone.